In this class we will know the last option of inserting parts in the structure, which is the insertion of shoes, made with the command footing. Shoes are shallow foundations, which can take various shapes. However, AutoCAD Plant 3D 2016 only allows us to insert shoes of geometric shape of cobblestone. It is up to a foundation engineer to calculate the efforts and size the shoe blocks. Or any deep foundations, such as pile foundations or even metal profiles. The insertion of shoes is similar to profiles, bodyguards and ladders. We activate the footing command, right-click on the graphic area and select the settings option. A dialog box opens, which can also be accessed in the Structures tab, Parts field by clicking on Settings. In this box we have geometry fields, material options and a shoe preview. In Geometry, in Field 1 we enter the length of the shoe, in Field 2 the width, and in Field 3 the depth. In Material, we first select the pattern and then the material code, which can be concrete, for example. After that, we can confirm the box by clicking OK and then choose the points where the shoes will be inserted. Plant 3D inserts the shoes through the center of the top face of the shoe. Then we leave the view in line mode and, with the snap enabled, the inserted shoe will be centered with the profile. So let's set up the shoes of our structure and position them. Also in the Structure tab we have the option Visibility, which allows you to hide and show parts of the structure. With Export, we can export the structure to an XML type file. In View, as in ordinary AutoCAD, we have visualization options, such as the presentation of multiple views in more than one viewport. And so we ended this class, where we learned how to insert shoes into the structure and saw other important options that optimize the development of our projects in Plant 3D.